So in the last lecture, what was the topic we were discussing?
General rules of interpretations.
No, the topic was assessment. And in assessment, I said two things are mean. Number one, classification. And number two, valuation. Right? So classification is also referred as the identification of the goods. Right? So unless correct classification is done, some of the things will not be known, like the rate of duty, type of duty applicable, assessable unit, exemptions available, etc., etc. Those will not be known. That's why we dig that all the topic regarding classification earlier. So this topic we have already completed, right? So the next topic that we have to do now is valuation. The most important topic in the entire customs law. Most important topic. Without this topic, any exam cannot be completed. Whether exam or viva, something from this topic is bound to be there. Most important topic starting today. It may take us 2 days, it may take us 3 days, it may take us more time to complete this chapter of valuation. Okay. So this valuation of goods. What is the purpose of valuation?
Determination of duty.
Okay. What else?
Duty utility tax is so payable to the
how much
customs.
we are importing.
Whether goods are coming under prohibition or restrictions.
That is not related to value. Prohibitions and restrictions are different things.
How much value we are importing to the country?
That is correct. But the valuation is not related to import only. It is related to export also. Right? So valuation is C, relevance. It is for import as well as for export. Right? When the import is there, there is outward remittance. Yes or no? In valuation,
Yes,
you are going to study that the valuation has to be according to the prevalent market conditions. It cannot be substantially low, it cannot be substantially high. Something having market value of $500. You can import it for $550, you can import it for $500 or $450, that is okay. But some item worth $500, you cannot import for $1,000. Or you cannot import for $100. Right? So in case of import, we are concerned with the outward remittance, that how much money should go for this. Opposite will happen in case of export. Now we are concerned with the inward remittance. Right? So whenever there is a export consignment, the export documents have to be accompanied with a declaration which talks about the time limit within which export proceeds are going to be realized. Isn't it? That is a certificate, that is a declaration given under FEMA. Within how much time you will realize the export proceeds. So when it comes to realization, before realization, the value should be known. Only then we talk about the realization. isn't it? Otherwise, today I send a consignment of say $1 lakh, and tomorrow I happen to receive $10,000, and I say this is the total remittance concerned. Is that okay? No. So at the time of export, also valuation, it becomes necessary for two purposes. Out of that, number one is inward remittance. Number one is inward remittance. Okay. So this is inward remittance. So those who are in practice, they know what is the time limit given for receiving the export proceeds.
To watch full video, join online batch weekdays 8:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. Call Tail Institute.